This roof rack actually has a space for it, but it's hard to get a 27-inch. So this is a 36-inch, I believe. I wish I could have gone to a 40-inch, but the roof is 39 and a half on the longer side. So I'm alright with it. Shines good, shines bright. After putting this on, I don't know how I was riding outside at night with just the regular brights, because this is a night and day difference. So Nova sights have this X that is a DRL, daytime running light, and it comes with its own harness, which I kind of destroyed, but I appreciate the harness, Nova sight. Sorry for my mess. So this harness, pretty badass harness. So I appreciate them for it, but I cut it. The harness had its own button for power, and then yellow and white for the DRLs, which I liked. But once I hooked this up to the switch panel, I wasn't able to control the lights. I would have to turn on the lights from the switch panel and then turn them on through this button. Not a fan of that. So I cut the harness right here, and I just use the rest of this to run it to the switch panel from there. Now the lights have their own harness, which power and ground your yellow light, your white light. What I ended up doing is I connected it to the yellow light right here. I did solder it and put some shrinking tube, and then I still taped it just to be sure. So those are now turn signals. Looky Weep's fangs lights also have a turn signal option, and so do the Kimimoto whip lights. So I tied them all in together, put the DRLs, the fangs, and the whips